This is a sub-assembly of the doors, removing the left-hand harness, the right-hand harness and flipping them over. This is a standard left-hand drive door trim. This is now the left-hand door, which is our passenger door here in Australia, with the emblem there. The left-hand seat becomes the right-hand seat. They have to take the wiring out of the left-hand seat and put it in the right-hand seat, and vice versa. We're the only company that's been able to remanufacture a HID headlight from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. 2 test jigs here. We will realign the headlights to the chart. Put the headlights into the vehicle, we do a secondary check. Okay, at this point here, that's a left-hand drive IP that's come out of the car directly from station 2. Any of the electronic components in that are for that vehicle will be passed over to this side of the bench, and then the operator on this side will start rebuilding the IP. All of the components within this comes to all the plastic moulding. It's all re-engineered by HSV and the Walkinshaw Group.